You probably have never heard about this method before, but this strategy will make you earn thousands of dollars very easily, guys. And what you will have to do is just concentrate on the affiliate marketing of this new strategy with the help of this new website in which it gets the total visits 3.2 millions. Now, as you can see, it has so many visitors and it's going to help us out to get that free traffic. And the best news is that it's worldwide available, so you don't have to worry in which part of the world you're living right now. The only thing that you will have to do is just stick through this video and watch it till the end, so you will learn how to make those money very easily and very fast, and do it every day and increase your incomes. Now guys, before I jump into more details, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, but also turn on the notification bell, so in this way you will never lose any new update from me. Now let's jump over to Google and let me explain to you how we are going to deal with this new method, what we are going to do. So first, you will search up for an affiliate program, because as I told you, the new strategy that we are going to combine with that new website will be about the affiliate marketing. So we will need an affiliate program, and you can choose whatever you want to, starting from CPA Lead or CPA Grip or OfferVolt or Digistore24. It depends on you guys. I will not tell you to use one specific because all of them have great offers, and if you like any of them, then you can choose it. I will continue with Digistore24 because I think it is one of the best affiliate programs that exist out there, despite the fact that it's completely free and worldwide available. Also, it's very easily to use, and you can create an account in just a very few steps that you have to follow, and then you can go over to the marketplace and start choosing the digital products. Also, the digital products are different, so you can choose whatever you want to. Now, I will tell you specifically where you can concentrate, so in this way I will make it much easier for you. So first, you can concentrate on the business and investments, because as you know, people are interested on making money online. Or you can concentrate on fitness and health, because who doesn't want to know how to get fit and lose weight? And also you can concentrate on social media, which are becoming so viral these days, and all of the people are using it in different methods. So whatever you choose for doesn't really matter. What matters is that you should need to concentrate on one of those. So after deciding for the best niche that you are going to get those digital products, what you will have to do is concentrate on finding a good product. Now, you should have some things in your mind, and I will let you know. So first, some criteria that you have to follow when you choose for a product is this: the commission, the popularity, and also the price of the product. So the commission should be at least 50% or even higher. So in this way, your earnings will be bigger. Now guys, when you concentrate on the product, you should know that that product should be a little bit popular. So people are using it and they are feeling good with it, and they are coming back to it. So you know the popularity should be very high, like at least 4 stars or 5 stars if you are lucky enough to find that product. Now, the price should have at least not a very high price, but also not a very cheap one, because in this way you are not going to earn a lot of money. So concentrate on a middle price between the very expensive and very cheap. So guys, this also depends on the product that you are promoting. For example, if you are going to promote a cryptocurrency product, then of course it will be a little bit expensive. But if you are going to concentrate on a product, for example, losing weight, then that should not be a lot of expensive, because it's just a small product that people are going to consume and no one is going to waste a lot of money on it. Now, after deciding for that product, following all of the criteria that I told you about the commission, popularity, and also the price of it, what you will have to do is just grab that affiliate link by clicking on promote now, and then you will need to share it. Now, this comes the part in which I told you at the beginning that you have never seen before. So you have never seen this way of sharing an affiliate link and getting the free traffic that you will need. So what you will have to do is go over to Google and you will make some searches. So Google is going to help us out on this part. So we will need to search up for some particular articles which are related to our niche which we decided for. For example, if you decided for the health niche, then you are going to search up about health related articles like losing weight or the most successful stories about losing weight or different ways to lose weight and things like this. Since I am being concentrating on the business and investments, my research will be about the most inspirational success stories. And as you can see, Google have suggested to me some great articles in which I can choose whatever I want to. So after deciding for that article, we will need to change it a little bit because we don't want to make it look like a copy paste thing. So I have decided, for example, for this one, and after getting it, you just have to copy it and then go over to paraphraser.io. Now guys, paraphraser.io I have been mentioning many times in my videos, and you know that it's very good, but you should have in mind that when you use it, it's just a robot that is going to help you out to paraphrase and make the article look like it's yours, but still you have to check out for the mistakes by yourself in the end before publishing. Now let's get to the best part, showing you the website that is going to help you out to get those people in which you will need to earn money, and that is called vocal.media. So over here you are going to create stories, and over here you are going to post that article in which you searched up on Google. Now guys, you just have to sign in which you will have to put like your full name, email, your password, and after finishing up, this will be your home page over here in which you will create your story just by clicking over here and click create story. After doing that, you will be on this following page in which you are going to put the article. Now guys, when you will put the article, have in mind to put the phrase like, if you want to start making money online, then click, and then you're going to put the affiliate link. And you should repeat this all over the article, so when you people are going to read this article, they are going to notice this phrase and they are going, of course, to click the affiliate link, because who doesn't want to know some ways of earning money for free? And also guys, you can do this with your niche. So for example, if your niche is about losing weight, then you are going to write something like, if you want to know how to lose weight, then click here, and you're going to put the affiliate link in which you are going to get from Digistore24. So this is how it will work out. Just have in mind the website that I showed you, it gets 3.2 millions of visits, which means that probably most of the people who are going to check out this will see your phrase over here, and they are going to click on your affiliate link which you have put it over here. So you will get a lot of money and earn, because those people will be interested for sure. You can also put another phrase which will be more catchy for their eyes, and in this way you will grab more the attention of the people. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe and also be updated with the latest videos that I'm going to upload.